Imagine Zimbabwe, a nation with a rich history and complex political landscape. Now we see a significant tension point emerging between war veterans and the current government. You see, back in 1987, a critical agreement called the Unity Accord was signed. This was not just any piece of paper. It was a beacon of hope, aiming to end years of conflict between two major political forces in Zimbabwe: ZANU, led by then Prime Minister Robert Mugabe, and ZAPU, led by Joshua Nkomo. Fast forward to today, and the echoes of this accord still resonate deeply within the political corridors and in the hearts of the Zimbabwean people. But here's where things get heated. Recently, Max Mkandla, a respected leader among the ZIPRA war veterans, made a bold claim. He accused President Emerson Mnangagwa of violating this very accord. How? By reallocating key ministries that were originally assigned to ZAPU, now under the ZANU-PF umbrella, to other factions within the ruling party. This move has sparked outrage and concerns about the stability of the Unity Accord. It's not just about moving pieces on a political chessboard. These ministries are pivotal, influencing sectors like national security and economic development. They're essentially the gears that keep the national machinery running efficiently. Now let's talk about why this matters to you and me. Zimbabwe is more than its political leaders. It's about its people, their hopes, and their future. When foundational agreements like the Unity Accord are threatened, it's not just a political issue. It's a societal one. It affects trust in the government, the direction of national policies, and international perceptions of Zimbabwe. So, what's next for Zimbabwe? As citizens and observers, the hope is for dialogue and respect for historical agreements that were designed to foster unity and peace. The world is watching, and the stability of Zimbabwe hangs in a delicate balance. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this discussion enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into complex political dynamics. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.